rate the food that I cooked today, the buttered chicken?
3, 2, 1. Infinite!
Infinite!
Aktres na si Claudine Barreto super hands-on mommy pagdating sa kanyang mga minamahal na anak. Mula sa naging Facebook Live nito ngayong umaga September 12 ay mapapanood natin ang kanyang naging pagluluto at paghahanda ng masarap na lunch. Mapapanood din sa naturang video na kasama niya magluto at mag-prepare ng kanilang pagkain ang kanyang mga anak na talagang matulungin sa kanilang mommy Claudine. Isa na nga ang pagluluto sa daily routine at bonding nilang mag-iina. Narito panuorin natin ang buong Facebook Live video.
Yeah, dong hilaw pa to konti, yay. Yeah. Hi everybody! Good morning sa inyong lahat. Pero sa akin, good afternoon na talaga. Kakagising ko lang po. So this morning, maaga ko nagising. So nagluto na ako. So ngayon ko lang nilagay yung sauce for ano naman. Ang request ng kids today, buttered chicken. So, ang ingredient niya is calamansi, and toyo, and butter. Yun lang. Ganun lang siya. Kabi, salt and pepper. So, kung paano, step by step, ito kwento ko kung paano gawin mamaya. Sorry, medyo antok-antok pa ako. So, ngayon, naantay na. Adi! Hello. Yan mo nga ako sa ano lang, Coke Zero lang. Hi, good morning. Hi, good afternoon. Wow, sorry, Mama just woke up.
I just came back from school.
Came out school. Okay.
You know when it was going home, we cleaned our classroom, and then teacher didn't even see us.
That's so good.
Because we cleaned the new one.
That's nice.
And Mommy earned a lot of stars.
Yes, you really, congratulations. You also, you're always Shark Ninja. Yes, the Shark
Mommy,
Ninja.
we finished teamwork. We have behavior or
Can you tell me if it's yummy na? This is cooked na.
Hindi
Hindi ko po kasi kanina na video umagang-umaga kasi naglolo ko yung may yung wifi namin dito. Hindi ko alam bakit. Wait. Manood ho kayo ng Christy per minute. Christy per minute. Para sa buong kwento about ang aming story ni Mami Sita yan.
Mama Sita?
So,
Mama
wait
Sita.
lang. Morning na morning po siya ang kausap ko. So, I'm so happy. So, ngayon dalawa na obligasyon ko. Tumawag sa mami ko, tapos sumawag sa Mami Sita ko. So, wait lang. This is yung what you call. Oops, sorry. Yan. That's buttered chicken. Mukha siyang adobo, pero hindi po yan adobo. May pagkamaasim po siya kasi may kalamansi siya. Ang nagturo sa akin ito, kaibigan ko Kapampangan. Alam na naman, pag Kapampangan magaling magluto. So, yun. Yung friend ko dati. Siya, favorite ko talaga to. Lalo nung buntis ako kay Santino. Kids, come on, try it na. Try it na. Again.
thing.
Try it, kids. Noah, Kaya. Okay. I want you to try it. This is butter chicken. It's not chicken adobo. Ha?
Oh, I like it.
It's medyo asim and ano. I like asim because ano, you eat sinigang. Ay, ako charita pala.
That will smell good.
Yes, buttered with lemon. Pero kung wala kayong lemon, kahit kalamansi, okay na. Kiana,
I want to taste
Kaya,
it. I want to taste the meat.
yes. The
The
chicken.
chicken. It's like gravy chicken. I like the one that steak more.
Yeah.
It is the best.
There is pa. Of course, it's plenty pa.
Good.
Asim no, ano? It's buttered chicken yan. That's chicken with lemon. Ate, try. This is the favorite of Kuku and Ate Sap. Before, every day we have to have
Show your face again.
Kuku.
Show your
Yes.
face.
Ay, ang ganda. Ang bilis niya maano.
Is it
Actually,
hot?
no, we'll blow it off.
I'm hot. Oh. I like chicken and butter.
Huh?
I like chicken and butter.
1 to 10. What's your rating? The truth. I won't get hurt.
20.
20!
You didn't ask me yet.
I'm gonna ask you also. Wait lang. I have so many children. You're so plenty. Can be one by one. Okay. Okay, Noah, come here. You rate it. You tell your friends. Hello, friends. May palangga sa din yan. Say hello.
Hello. Say no hi. Our new baby just cried.
You wanna eat na?
And my cat gets burned. No, let's all say it together.
So, okay. What's your rating? Show your face there. They cannot see you. Okay, can you please rate what I cooked the butter chicken? What's your rating? From, no, move here. Like, move it here. Uy, no one not like that. You can fall, no. Fix it. Okay, what's your rating? Yay, tama na kami. From 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, please rate the food that I cooked today, the butter chicken.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Infinite.
Infinite!
I like the, I love the chicken.
But Yaya Ging cooks better than me sa butter chicken. No, Yaya. Yaya Ging. Love you guys. Manood po kayo ng Christy for Minute ngayon. At ikikwento sa inyo ni Nanay Christy yung kwento namin ni Mami Sita Yan ko. Love you!